would choose BWR? One reason, our massive capacities. BWR has an installed capacity of 80,000 metric tons per year. Our two production units are located at Chalisgaon and Adgaon in India. The Chalisgaon facility was commissioned in 2016 and the Adgaon facility has been operational since 2005. Our world-class steel wire manufacturing facility in Chalisgaon is a greenfield project. With an investment of $85 million, it is one of the largest such investments in the steel wire industry of India. Our in-house pickling plant imported from Stoiler, Germany has a capacity of 80,000 metric tons per year. This is a fully automated facility requiring little to no human intervention. A pickling plant is a zero liquid discharge system, meaning it produces no wastewater at all, thanks to ultrafiltration and two-stage RO and evaporation systems. This helps us create value for our customers while keeping the environment clean and safe. Our in-house patenting and galvanizing facilities enables us to make ungalvanized or bright wire rope and galvanized wire ropes, helping us cater to diverse demand and custom requirement from across the world. Stay tuned for more insights on our capabilities. Get in touch with us today to know how our massive capacities, state-of-the-art machinery and high-quality products can create value for your organization.